Greetings everyone and welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm actually going to be doing another piano tutorial for you guys. And the tutorial I'm going to be doing is for the song Ujesu, Uyaphila by Spirit of Praise 11. Okay, it's a very pretty simple song, so we're going to try to get through it quickly. And this is how the chord progression goes. So it starts off on a 1, right? So starting off on a 1, and when I like to start off on a 1, I like to do like a suspended 1/5. That's a 1, 4, 5, 1 in your right hand. In your left hand, you can do a 5 octave, or you can just do a singular 5. You just solitary notes, right? So you go there, then you go to a 1, right? There are multiple ways to play the 1. You can do in the way I'm doing it here, which is left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1. Right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. So you see left hand 1, 5, 1, right hand 2, 3, 5, 1. Or you can do a left hand, just do 1, 5, 1, or just a 1, and then right hand doing a what's right hand doing? Let's say right hand's probably doing a sorry, apologies for that. Right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. Left hand 1, 5, 1. Right hand 5, 1, 3. Right. It's also just doing it in whatever inversion you want to do it, or in the root position. But I like doing this one over here. So, right. Then you go to a 4 now. Right. So left hand's doing a 4 octave. Right hand's doing a 6, 1, 4, 6. Then. Right, now we're going to a 5 chord, then eventually you're going to a 1 after that. So a 5 octave, left hand, right hand 2, 5, 7. 1 spin it over 5, back to the 1. So pretty much that's the whole song. So it's just a 1 to a 4 to a 5. Right? So that's pretty much why I say it's a very simple song to play. Anyone can pick the song up and play it. So just to try it and make it more exciting, you know, add a little bit of stuff to it, what I like to do is obviously play passing chords and that stuff. So for example, as I said at the beginning, I'll play this 1 suspended over 5, then I'll go to a 1, right? Then next I said we're going from a 1 to a 4 to a 5 to a 1, right? So a 1, we're going to a 4. So what can we do when we're going to a 4? I've showed you guys a lot of times, but because I haven't done these tutorials in a while, I'm gonna step through it as slowly as possible, not wasting too much time. So 1, you can do a 5, 1, 5, 1, 4. So what's a 5 and 4? Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 4, 7 flats 3. Then now the 5, now we're playing a 1. So left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 3, 6, 2. So alright. Left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 3, 6, 2. Then now left hand's playing a 4. Left hand's playing a 4 octave. You can do that, or just play the 4. Whatever's up to you. Or you can even play a 4, 1, 4 and 6 if you want to be a bit stretchy. Then right hand's playing a 1, 4, 6, but obviously you can also play a 6, 1, 4, 6 just to add a bit of depth. And then you see that's why I said in your left hand you can play that, so the right hand doesn't have to do that. Okay, so now that's a 5, 1, 4. Now you're the 4 chord, right? So that's one option of going from a 1 to a 4. Another option is doing a progression of a 2, 3, 4, right? So you have your 1 chord. What's the 2 chord? Right? For my 2 chord, I'm playing a 2, 1, 2 in my left hand. So left hand 2, 1, 2. Right hand I'm playing a 5, 7 flat, 1, 3. Now left hand I'm playing a 3, 1, 3. Right hand I'm playing a 5, 1, 3. So And obviously you can extend it to more chords, as you saw over there, is more notes, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand's doing a 4, 1, 4, right hand's doing a 5, 6, 1, 4, right? But obviously the 2, you can extend it to include the 4, and the same with the 3, you can extend it to include the 5, and even leave out the 3 to make it sound better. So it's a walk up like a 4, 7 flat 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 5. Then go into the 4, which you're playing a 4, 1, 3 in your left hand, and then right hand you're playing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Cool. Now we're going from a 4 chord to a 5 chord, right? So one thing which I like to do here, so there are more ways you can go from the 1 to the 4, but I'm just going to continue on now. One thing you can do going from the 4 to the 5 is what I like to do is play this passing chord over here, where left hand's playing the 5 flat, right hand's playing a 3, 6, 1, 3. Now we're in the 5 chord, right? So another thing which I like to do is this over here. I like to do this walk down of a, so, right? How do you play this? We start off with our left hand playing a 6 flat, and our right hand is playing a 2, 5 flat, 7. Now left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2 flat, 4, 7, 6, 7 flat, yeah, 7 flat. Now left hand's playing a 5 flat, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 6. Now you're at your 5 chord, right? Right? So now when you're 5, then after the 5 we're going to a 1. So what I do here is I do a 6, 7, 1, or so what's it over there? 6, 7. Then now left hand's playing a 6, 1. Right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. Now left hand's playing a 7, 2. Right hand's playing a 5, 6, 2. Right? So to make it more full, left hand can do a 6, 3, 6. Right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Left hand's doing a 7, 5, 7. Right hand's doing a 2, 5, 6, 2. Resolve it in a 1. Left hand's doing a 5, 1, 5. Right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1, 3. But I add the 2 just to make it a bit more full. So I'll show you guys the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 flat, 5, 6, 7, 1. Repeat. 1, 5, 1, 4. 5. There's one way you can do it. You can do a 1. Yeah, so 1. Which is like a 7 flats over 1, then just resolving it gently. Which is another way you can go from a 1 to a 4. So 1. It's a very gentle way. So left hand's playing a 1, right hand's doing a 7 flat, 2, 4, 6. Then you just play the 1 again, then right hand drops that 4 to a 3. So I'll usually do like a 5, 1, no sorry, a 5, 6, 1. Or do it an octave lower just so you're not playing the same notes. So alright, that's all for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it's been a while that I've done tutorials, but yeah, until next time, guys, stay blessed.